Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your promotional offers with Chase Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your promotional offers with Chase Bank, start by opening your internet browser. Go to the official Chase Bank website. Log into your Chase account using your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on the dashboard. Look for the Offers or Promotions tab within the Accounts section. Click on this tab to view any available promotional offers. Review the details of each offer carefully. Check for eligibility requirements and expiration dates. If you find an offer that interests you, click on it for more information. You may need to opt in or activate the offer to take advantage of it. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. If you have questions about specific offers, scroll to the FAQ section or contact customer support. To ensure you don't miss any future promotions, check your email preferences in your account settings. Make sure to keep an eye on your email for any notifications from Chase regarding new offers. Continue to monitor your accounts regularly for updates on your current promotions. Following these steps will help you efficiently verify and manage your promotional offers with Chase Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.